Should you buy or sell LKQ stock? Today, we're delving deep into LKQ. Our initial report was published on our website on December 12, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any key updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 8, 2023, our system has identified LKQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.43. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.13%. This implies an average daily return of 0.04% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a downward trend, indicating a potential further fall in the short term. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected -12.48% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return between -22.71% and -9.68%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -16.99% change over the next year, with a possible return between -23.53% and -0.92%. This means that the stock price may range from $34.76 to $45.04 after a year. Our latest update on LKQ brings an exciting headline: LKQ Corporation stock upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Tuesday's trading session. On Tuesday, December 12, 2023, the LKQ Corporation stock price experienced a slight decline of -0.612%, moving from $45.74 to $45.46. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $45.31 and a high of $45.78, showing a 1.05% variation. It's worth noting that the stock has seen positive growth in 6 out of the last 10 days, with a 2-week increase of 1.09%. Additionally, the decrease in trading volume aligning with the stock's decline is considered a positive sign, as volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -303,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 1 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $46.20 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached $59.38, while the lowest price recorded was $41.49. Currently, the stock is trading 23.44% below its 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $13.92. Furthermore, it is 24.77% below the all-time high, achieved on January 3, 2022, when the price reached $60.43. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 13, 2023, Raymond James upgraded LKQ to an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, July 15, 2022, Raymond James gave LKQ an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given LKQ stock a strong buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Here are the signals for LKQ Corporation. The stock of LKQ Corporation has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. Support levels can be found at $45.35 and $45.02, providing potential resistance against downward corrections. A sell signal will be triggered if the stock breaks below these levels. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 5.43% increase so far. Further growth is expected until a new top pivot is identified. However, there have also been some negative signals that may influence the short-term development of the stock. Currently, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The volume and price fell together during the last trading day, reducing overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. In the short-term chart, the stock had a golden star signal on Thursday, December 7, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet. It is often followed by significant gains for the stock. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that can help guide your investment decisions. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence signal, which indicates a sell signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which gave a buy signal 29 days ago. The Bollinger signal also gave a buy signal 31 days ago. The short-term moving average signal suggested a sell 7 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average signal provided a buy signal 4 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average signal indicated a sell 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signal suggested a sell 98 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 87 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for LKQ Corporation. LKQ Corporation has found support from accumulated volume at $44.14. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. The stock tends to have controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the overall risk associated with this stock is considered to be low. Looking at recent data, the stock has shown a daily price range of $0.474, or 1.05%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.48%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for LKQ, let's begin by exploring some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio could suggest a pessimistic outlook for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible opportunity for investors. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is anticipated to be released on February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.750. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be analyzing potential day trading levels for LKQ. If the stock experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level for LKQ is at $45.67. If you're considering entering a position, it may be wise to wait for a breach of this level. For those who already own the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, LKQ faces its first support level at $44.14. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for LKQ from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On September 1, 2023, Zarcone Dominic P. conducted an insider sell of 8,531 shares of common stock. On September 5, 2023, Zarcone Dominic P. conducted an insider sell of 32,000 shares of common stock. On September 1, 2023, Jude Justin L. conducted an insider sell of 2,186 shares of common stock. On September 1, 2023, Galloway Rick conducted an insider sell of 121 shares of common stock. On September 1, 2023, Clark Michael S. conducted an insider sell of 1,075 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -82.150. Overall, insiders have purchased 348,788 shares and sold 14,217,795 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $43.12, with a decrease of 5.15%. The daily movements of this stock are relatively low, which means there is a low risk involved. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 28 days ago. Is LKQ stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level, and there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. Based on our analysis, we have upgraded our conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have found that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, December 13th, we expect LKQ to open up $0.0581 and start trading at $45.52. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's crucial to remember that there's a high risk of losing money. As responsible investors, it's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be solely relied upon for your investment choices. By using the provided information, you are acknowledging and accepting the responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide our current view on stocks. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're curious to know your target for this particular stock. And if you find our content helpful, remember to like and subscribe. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful experience. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.